up early because I'm planning to attend church, but I'm thinking about it because it's a teacher council today. But I'll try. I'll bring you to the outside world muna, okay? I'll just fix my hair. Sumaba na yung buhok ko. Bilis sumaba ng buhok ko. Here. Ito no. Itong buhok ko, I think 2 years, magto 2 years na this 2026, but I'm planning not to cut. My goal right now to my hair is until on my waist. Hopefully ma-achieve ko yung para ma-experience ko naman mahaba yung buhok, kasi most of the time is pinapagkupitan ko siya yearly. I'm going to bring you outside and see the sunrise, and you will love it. Good morning. The sun is up. The sun is up. Nagtatanim sila ng kamote doon. Oh. Ito nyo ba yung potato crops?
So, all in all, okay naman yung ano natin. Isang day school. May nag-help ng klase. At least meron.
Ay, ano po, yan tatanong ko lang po kung nasusustain na po as teacher ng YSA si Sister Cathy.